If you want to take a screenshot on Redmi 15, then we have a couple of ways that allow us to do so. You can, for example, use the power button and volume down button combination. You can simply press these two buttons together, like this, in order to capture a screenshot. Besides that, we also have a gesture. With 3 fingers, we can swipe down on the screen like so, in order to capture a full screenshot. And there is also another gesture, quite similar. Instead of swiping down, we can press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then we can select the area that we want to capture. So this is the partial or selective screenshot. Here we have some additional options, and there we go. Now, these options can be toggled, so if we go to settings and open additional settings, then over here we can go to gesture shortcuts in order to find take a screenshot. And over here, as you can see, we have the 3 fingers slide down gesture. It can be disabled and enabled. The same goes with the power button and volume down button, and the partial screenshot. So press and hold with 3 fingers. So all of this can be enabled or disabled. So if some of them not work for you, then be sure to check out these settings. But besides that, we can also capture a screenshot by using Control Center. So over here, if we swipe down to the Control Center, you should be able to find this button with scissors and have a rectangle. So we can tap over here in order to hide the Control Center, and then the full screenshot is captured. Besides that, if you have an app opened or a website where you can scroll, so for example, I'm going to go to the Google app. For some reason, it is rotated, alright. Then over here, in this case, we can perform the full screenshot, and then we can press scroll in order to capture a scrolling screenshot or a long screenshot. And as you can see, it is scrolling automatically. Whenever you are done, then you can just press done and the screenshot will be captured. And you can also just use your finger in order to scroll down by yourself. However, it feels a little bit laggy for some reason, or slow. So let's say I want to capture it up to this point, so we're gonna press done. Now we need to wait, and there we go. This is how it looks like. Let's save it. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. These are all the main ways that allow you to take a screenshot on Redmi 15.